My name is David with Alexander Pacific Electric. We're here in Temecula, California, running an electrical corporation that specializes in residential, commercial, and industrial service, maintenance, and new construction. Roughly 4 to 5 years ago, we decided that we needed to find a solution to track drivers and vehicles, to monitor A, their location, B, their time of arrival. We were getting customers calling, asking where they were. We didn't know other than by calling them via telephone. Instead of calling, asking, we track it. Oh, Mrs. Jones, he is right around the corner from you. You should see him in 30 seconds. Oh, great, thank you. Or we notice that he's still in San Diego, but he needs to be in San Bernardino. We'll let them know it's going to be 2.5 hours minimum before he gets there. They love that portion where we can track the driver. Another good aspect of this is when we do time and material tracking. We'll have a customer say, no, your technician was only on site for 2 hours. We see the time of arrival, the time of departure, it's 3.5 hours. We actually are able to track hourly labor via GPS. If you're looking for a solution for GPS tracking on your vehicles, GPS Trackit is by far a solid system. It hasn't failed us. We can track vehicles on the road, off the road, before hours, after hours, any time of the day, with a history that goes back as far as I think you want. GPS Trackit is definitely your system.